Mixing with Force is fun and simple. Press the mixer button and the display will update in full color to represent your tracks. You can adjust the gain by simply touching the display and double tap to enlarge any parameter. You can also control the mixer with the Q links, and pressing Shift will give you extremely fine control. There are many view modes in the mixer. The second mode here gives you access to the mutes and solos. I'm also going to take a look at the pan here, so if I double tap it enlarges. The next view mode is where we can send audio to 4 internal effect sends. Now I'm going to send the drums to my reverb send. The last view mode is where we can add our insert effects, so we can add 4 inline to any of our tracks. I'm going to add an effect from Air Music Technology. I can press here to take a look at the user interface and edit any parameters. To access your master channel and your sends, simply swipe to the left on the display or press the master button here. I've added some effects onto the master channel. And if I press the knob button, I can change it to project, where these will update with important parameters related to the screen I'm on.